attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Attack. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
¿Qué te pasa, pendejo? ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Qué te pasa, pendejo? Pase para acá, pase para acá. Pase para acá, pase para acá. Salgan. Salgan.
Hey, give him a passport. Hey, give him. I'm ready for that now. I'm ready for bump now. Hey, give him a passport now. Hey, give him a passport. Hey, we're ready for bump now. Let's fuck with the woman now. I want to the brethren. Hey, let's fuck up.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in a cell, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there. And a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some of viewers and subscribers on a real level, my people. And one more, some of viewers and subscribers. Why Jamaicans? We're in this world where Jamaican not involved in a like, you know what I mean? And you know, so Jamaicans, we own people, and especially some of the big old, nutty head, no good head one where we have them only make it bad. My people do things that make it bad for the younger generations of Jamaican. We are rolling and forward, my people. Zine? Because with lack of how we control ourselves, lack of how we conduct ourselves, people, and we just don't know how to behave. Real talk. Alright, now couple videos sent to my viewers and subscribers. And basically this happened, it seemed to me over Mexico, at a airport in Mexico. Yeah, because seeing the badges of these men who are working at the airport, and it's Mexico, my people. You get what I say? And I got Mexico pan this, and but unless I some Mexico embassy or so then, but it was an airport, my viewers and subscribers. And this is a Jamaican man now, my people. Natty head pan top of head, my people. Because I'm an Rasta man. Natty pan top of head. And honestly, him might behave some weird like him a bullbuck and dopey conquering at the people in airport, and only just sees and he knows my people. Me say the man a turned the airport upside down. Him broke window in the airport, my people, mash up glass in there, rushing people have to cover them face. Everybody get scared like him a turn the whole place upside down. Him take a big piece of the window, the glass the people have in him hand, and I like him a attack and I look for murder somebody. Him a make speech. I say, yo, him not afraid for dead, him ready for dead. Give him passport and him this and him that. And I walk through the airport up and down, my viewers and subscribers. And I really love my people with this object in them, and people have here scamper for them life. My viewers and my subscribers, I could not believe what I see, because honestly, my people, if them cut him down, me the happy. Me done that. Me say if them cut him down, I would be happy, because there's no way, you know what I mean, that in the public space there you can have this madman walking up and down with this object in his hand like a madman, round and round, like he looking for anybody to attack my viewers and subscribers. They should have cut him down. And this is why I have to say, where the security there? Normally I got airport my people in a Spanish country, because I've visited a lot of Spanish countries before. And that's where I see the most security. That's where I see the most police, soldier, everything at airport. So me I wonder what is really going on in this airport in Mexico. And it don't look like a small place too. You know what I mean? Me see the airport man if you try beat him with fan, beat him with this and that. My people are lift you up and I run for them life too. You know what I mean? And him a cuss up him BBC and him this and him that. My viewers and my subscribers, I know what the guidelines go on the tube, my people. So you link me, you know what I mean? Follow the IG over Instagram, follow it, my people. You don't know, and then me can DM you, know, a few clip of them, something here. Just DM me, make sure you follow the page. You understand? If you don't follow, please don't DM me. Go over Twitter, follow the Twitter, that's so you can get it to. You don't know, follow the thing, them NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. And but as me can say, my people, I never see nothing like this in my life. And there's no way this man should have been conducting, no matter what happened, them hold on for them passport. This is airport, and I believe there's means and ways of how you conduct yourself at the airport, my people. You know what I mean? There is means and ways of how you do things, and they should never allow this sin thing to behave like this. And when I hear some countries put some restrictions on Jamaican national, my people, and have a lot of things to say about us, these are part of the thing that cause it, my people. Them are the type of sin thing. And for me personally, him can't forward and say, yo, him have an excuse for what happened or something occurred where them cause him to behave like this. No matter what they did or do, my people, this year, in a way if you conduct yourself with big glass and I walk up and down. Remember, people did it too, you know what I mean, who are travelers too. Kids are there too. You know what I mean? Everybody have to scamper for them life all because of one sin thing like you. Me I tell us, you deserve to be taken down. You deserve to be taken down. I'm sorry they never have some dog in there could have rush you and bite you up or something. But you deserve to be cut down. You deserve to be taken down. I'm not going to them to take your 3 points, but them deserve to push one in your foot or something and get you flat on the ground because you was a threat. You was a danger to the people over there. I never get to see a video at the end result or it turn out if they manage to catch him or them hold him or anything, but me see him stroll through the airport like a madman with this object in his hand, my people. I would have loved to see some clip. I know maybe a few people have other clips, you know what I mean, when them hold him or something. So if you don't have them, please DM me over IG or, you know what I mean, check below, get the WhatsApp number and DM me see him. I would appreciate it. But for the real of my people, this is really insane. It is really sickening. And to see our fellow Jamaicans doing this stupidness, my people, you know what I mean, are making things bad for our other people, them, you know what I mean, and they need chances, because, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So people, big up on yourself, you know. Thanks, the love, the support, the like, the share, and every comments. You don't know, say one team, one dream, one scheme, my people, one attacking boss. Peace out, my people. Be safe, be good, and be great. Attack them. Blessings. Stay safe.
Everybody cuss bumbo clad. We go up foreign and cuss bumbo clad. And white people them buy we drink for cuss bumbo clad. Them even pure for cuss bumbo clad are foreign. How come at Jamaica where bumbo clad originated from? And we cuss bumbo clad at Jamaica, them are charged with. And we go up foreign and go cuss bumbo clad and the white people them pure for cuss bumbo clad. Something wrong with Jamaica people. Jamaican people are the only people have bumbo clad problem and ras clad problem. The foreigner they love bumbo clad. Gracias.